What's up everyone? So before the launch of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, Fossil announced that their new way faster flagship smartwatch is on the way that will be called as Fossil Generation 6. So finally we have some leaked press renders of Fossil Generation 6 that we will discuss in today's episode. Starting off with the design, there is not much of a difference when compared to Fossil Generation 5. We have two buttons on the right side of the watch with a rotating crown in the middle. And this time little grooves are present as well around the frame of the watch, giving it a premium look. Watch will have a crisp 1.2-inch 416 by 416 OLED display with always on display feature. Rest we have some lead colors of this smartwatch, which include with the black strap, brown leather strap, metallic strap, and also gold one is present here as well. Some special or limited versions were also leaked, which include camo green and purple silicone. Talking about the hardware, Fossil Generation 6 will be powered by Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus chipset. That is a 12nm chipset and it is about 80% faster than previous Wear 3100 series chipset found in the Fossil Generation 5. It will come with 8GB of storage and 1 or 1.5GB of RAM. Fossil Generation 6 at launch will not have Wear OS 3.0, but according to leaked sources, Wear OS 3 found on the Galaxy Watch 4 will be pushed by a software update later this year. We will have some basic health features on this watch like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, some basic workout modes, and this time Fossil is adding blood oxygen monitoring sensor, which was not present on the Fossil Generation 5. But sadly the cool features like ECG, blood pressure and BIS sensor found on the Galaxy Watch 4 will not be available on the Fossil Gen 6 this time. When compared to Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, we have a lot of differences, like faster 5nm chipset versus 12nm chipset that is combined with 8GB of storage on the Fossil Generation 6, and less number of health features, plus due to less efficient processor there will be a difference in battery life. I think Fossil Gen 6 should be really priced well in order to compete with the market. What are your thoughts regarding this watch from Fossil? Do share your feedback in the comments below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.